Hey guys, it's Kate, and today I'm here to tell you about an impulse decision. Which you can probably already guess. And yes, I cut my bangs. Today I am going to show you how to do some easy hairstyles, and this goes for people with bangs and without, because it's going to be all hairstyles that I did without bangs, but now I have bangs, so I'm going to test them all out with the bangs and see how it all looks. I'm not an experienced hairstylist. These are kitchen scissors. I don't know what I was thinking, but I also don't regret it. So here we are. So last night, I got very inspired by a bunch of people that now have bangs and look super bomb. I decided that I wanted to book an appointment today and get my bangs cut. I don't know, as time went on and the night went on, I couldn't stop thinking about it. And I started just like watching some YouTube videos of people cutting their bangs because, you know, I was excited. And then the idea just sparked. Why don't you cut your own bangs? It's free, it's dangerous, but it's free, and that's what matters most right now. So I went into my kitchen, grabbed a pair of scissors, and my heart was racing so fast, but I don't know if I'd suggest doing this unless you really trust yourself, which I happen to apparently trust myself very much. I mean, they worked, so it all worked out for the best, so I mean, I'm not complaining. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed and you don't know when my videos are coming out, then I would suggest hitting the notification bell, because that will tell you exactly every time I post, and it won't spam you because it's only like once a week. So, but yeah, I just have some very easy hair tutorials. If you're ready, then let's just get started. So all that you're gonna need for any of these tutorials are a hairbrush and some little tiny elastic. That is literally all I do. And other than that, I curled a couple pieces. I didn't want my entire head to be curly, so I only curled like 4 pieces on each side. Oh, I actually lied. You are not only gonna need small elastics, but you are gonna need like one regular sized elastic. Okay, so the first one is absolutely the easiest of all. I did it on New Year's, but I didn't have any bangs, so it's gonna look a little different, but you literally just like do a really low bun in the back. So this is hairstyle number 1. I would suggest if you don't have any front pieces, you can always just pull some out. Mine are a little bit short just because I trimmed them a little. I definitely wanted them to be longer. I feel like I almost like overdid it. We're good. So hairstyle number 2 is pretty much exactly the same. It's just that you're gonna do a high ponytail instead of a low one. So I usually just like flip my hair over and like collect it all at the top, and I'm gonna do that. I normally like pull a couple pieces here just to like frame the face. I normally would put a couple strands like right here. They're all cut short now, so can't do that. This one's a little long. I could have kept more of that up. Yeah, this is literally just like a high ponytail, but I spiced it up, I guess, with my bangs and my earrings. Earrings are always a really good way to spice up your hair. Even though it's not part of your hair, it kind of just like adds something, especially if you're not doing much to your hair. So thumbs up to that. Alright, so for this next look, this is what my mom likes to call the puppy look, just because she thinks it looks like puppy ears, which like I'm not that opposed to. Take all of your hair up to your ear, and then do the same thing to the other side. Try to put them at like the same distance on both sides of your head, or at the same level, I guess I should say. Okay, so now that we have our pigtails and our puppy ears, you can really do anything with these. You can leave them, you can braid them. And then tug on the braid, always to make it messier and more modern and cute. It's like almost a fake braid. It almost kind of looks like a braid, but it's not. And you just separate that, twist it in, and pull. and I really like this one. I did this hairstyle for my last video, my what's in my backpack, but I actually did it with like my full hair. I mean, so this is one side and then this is the other side. So obviously you're just gonna choose like one or the other because it would be kind of weird if you did one of each the way I did, but that was just to show you like both ways you can do it. I don't even know I'm giving hair advice. I mean, sometimes it's nice to take like advice from people who also suck at things, because then you know like how they're doing it the easier way, so maybe like that's helpful. Ow! These elastics are so hard to get out. My hair is probably damaged. I mean, it's definitely damaged. They already told me my hair was damaged. The next thing that I do sometimes is I will just a strand near the front, not the complete front because I like it to be kind of like tucked in. So maybe like take some hair, grab the piece underneath, and then split that into 3 to create a braid. Take a mini elastic, ow, and tie that up, and then do the thing. And by the thing, I mean pull your hair to loosen the braid and make it messier as per usual. And then I usually try to take another on the other side. It doesn't really matter if they match because it's more of like a bohemian look. And you can literally add as many of these as you want. I usually stick to 2 and then maybe 3, depending on if I'm feeling symmetrical that day, I guess. But yeah, this is just a really cute way to look like you actually really tried, and it literally takes like 2 seconds, so I really enjoy that. I meant to say like, and then I said enjoy, and then I think I said Linjoy, and I'm not 100% sure. Enjoy that. So, just clarifying that. I know how to speak, I promise. And that is basically it. So I don't really have a whole bunch of hairstyles in my back pocket. I'm not an expert, so I should probably stop here before I start making random shit up. But I hope I inspired you a little bit just to try new things with your hair, because I know for me, I never used to do anything and I kind of got bored and I felt like I needed a little switch up in my look, and I felt like why not start with my hair. If you are looking to cut your own bangs, there's a lot of really good tutorials on YouTube, and only do it if you really trust yourself. Like I said, it shouldn't cost that much to go get it done professionally either, especially if you have patience. Yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever had bangs before, how you felt about it, what your experience was like. If you liked any of these hairstyles, please let me know. I know that there wasn't that much, but they're just a few things that I kind of do sometimes. So thank you so much for watching. Please come back next time, and yeah, have a good one. Bye!